Okay, Wednesday morning, and we're gonna go to the bear hang, do our morning chores, have some breakfast, grab some lunch for a day hike, and explore the falls and Lake Louise, and have a good time, come back, stay the night here again, and then head out tomorrow. So let's get up to the bear hang. All right, so we're just making our way up the falls, taking a lot of photos and doing a lot of photography, with me just continuing to learn new tricks with my Lumix G95, and we're just taking our time getting up to Lake Louise. So it's a gorgeous waterfall and we're having a great time. You just freeze frame. Okay, so we are stopping for a late lunch here, coming down the outlet of Lake Louise. Smile, sweetie. And so we spent the morning up there and taking photos and stuff like that. So this is the beef fajita chili con carne that we hydrated this morning when we prepared our day pack for our day hike. And because we brought the stove on this trip, we went ahead and we're going to use it, and so it's looking really nice. We're just warming it up here. Everything's already pre-cooked and it just hydrates in the jar. And then since we've got the stove, we went ahead and added 3 ounces of smoked Gouda in the string cheese kind of packet, so you don't always have to point it there. And so because we brought the stove, we put 3 ounces of smoked Gouda in it so that we could melt it down, and it's looking really good. So now we're gonna just let this sit. We're not gonna simmer it anymore, and we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and then get the fajitas out, the low-carb tortillas, and make some soft tacos / beef fajita, cheesy beef fajita for lunch. So that's it. We'll be back at you. All right, so we're gonna start making up for lunch. A little bit of hot sauce. A bit of filling. And there you go. One little soft taco. All right, so it's coming up on 5 p.m. on Wednesday, and just been down here enjoying the falls and the area all up and down the side of the outlet, which is kind of a tumbling falls. They're pretty long. I've just been enjoying that basically all day, up and then back down. So we're gonna make our way back to camp now, eat some grub, hang the bear bag, and rest in the tent and get some sleep and start our way out tomorrow. Okay, so we made it back to base camp 2, and we're gonna head up to take in a few calories for dinner, and if we need water, get some water, hang our smellables, and then come back down to the tent for the night. It's where some critters had slept the night before. And there's the bear bags. All right, we'll check in with you guys later. All right, well, we are settled in for the evening. We've taken care of all of our chores for the day. We hiked around about 5 miles from Camp 2, where we're at again tonight, up to Lake Louise, kind of following the drainage coming down. Beautiful waterfalls, just series of stair-stepped waterfalls for quite a ways, maybe half a mile or so, and then kind of a slot lake coming out of lower, I keep wanting to say Julia, but it's Louise. Lake Louise, and it was super windy. Beautiful view of a glacial cut lake up there, but super windy. And so we went up there, took some pictures, you know, climbed on the rocks, that kind of thing. But then we just really turned back around and spent most of our time following the drainage back down to the main trail, because it's just beautiful, you know, one series of waterfalls after another, and you could get right up to the edge of the water, and made for easy access to collect water and make lunch and all that stuff. So great day. All the bear bag stuff is stored, and now we're just kind of settling in for the evening, sending some in-reach messages back and forth to keep people updated on where we're at. And you know, that satellite technology seems to be working really well. I like it. The All Trails app has been working perfect. So if you download your maps ahead of time, you can put your phone in airplane mode. Then the GPS still works. You can track your progress, map out where you've been, elevation gain and loss, all that stuff shows up on the app, and along with the other trails that are already documented. So highly recommend that. I guess that's it. Lights out, and we'll check in with you tomorrow. See ya.